Hey, I'm Simon, the proud owner of Apollo Roofing Company. We're here again, and this time in Moraga, California. This video is going to walk you through a complete replacement for a multi-unit residential. The three main things we're going to focus on, like every project we do, is one, safety. Safety for the employees and safety for the tenants. There is about 60 tenants over here. We have to protect them. In order to achieve this one, we're actually building a security walls surrounding all the roof to prevent any kinds of material sliding that can cause hazard. The second thing is quality. Quality should be applied for materials and installation. So the materials we're going to use here is a presidential CertainTeed TL. It's actually the highest standard and the highest stream of asphalt shingles we have nowadays in the United States. And in terms of installation, we're going to follow the manufacturer guidelines. It's strict, it's amazing, that's the way it's supposed to be. The third one is to maintain clean working environment in all time. To achieve this one, we're going to tarp the entire building. We're going to tarp all the balconies, backyards, and all the surrounding exterior walls. Let's show you how we do it.